Hi everyone, I'm Shubham Jhanwar. We are discussing JEE Advanced 2022, Paper 1, and the question for this video is this. In a study about a pandemic, data of 900 persons was collected. It was found that 190 persons had symptom of fever, 220 cough, 220 breathing, 330 fever or cough or both, 350 cough or breathing or both, 340 fever or breathing or both, 30 persons had all three symptoms. That means fever, cough, and breathing problem. Seems to be inspired from COVID pandemic. If a person is chosen randomly from these 900 persons, then the probability that the person has at most one symptom is. That means what is the probability that if a randomly what is the probability that a randomly chosen person out of these 900 persons has at most one symptom, that means has exactly one symptom or no symptom. So here we can use Venn diagram. Let's say there are these three sets, set of people having fever, set of people having cough, set of people having breathing problem, represented by these three circles marked as or named as FCB respectively. Yeah, and definitely the set of 900 persons, let me call this universal set, represented by this rectangle. Yeah, so here what we want is, or rather what we don't want is this region. We don't want this region. That means we are not looking for the count of people having two symptoms or all three symptoms. Yeah, so this thing has to be removed. Yeah, so we can use this exclusion understanding that it is total minus the number of favorable outcomes, you may say, is total minus, and total is 900. You subtract from total the count of people having two or all three symptoms. Yeah, so you may say it is F intersection C plus F intersection B plus B intersection C. But then when you say F intersection C, it is this whole part. When you say F intersection B, it is this whole part. When you say C intersection B, it is this whole part. So just to emphasize further, when you say F intersection C, it is this whole part. Yeah, similarly F intersection B and B intersection C. So here this B intersection F intersection C, which is supposed to be counted once, is coming thrice. Yeah, so you'll subtract it two times. So F intersection B intersection C. So this is the number of favorable outcomes, so to speak. Yeah. So here total is 900. What about N F intersection C? So total is 900. This is 30 because 30 persons had all three symptoms. Yeah. So what about NF intersection C? I can say this essentially is what you may say N F union C being subtracted from, basically you may say this is NF plus NC, and F union C being subtracted from this, isn't it? Because NF plus NC minus NF union C would give you NF intersection C. Yeah, so based on similar understanding, you can say it is 900 minus, you have NF is what, 190, NC is 220, and F union C is what, 330. Yeah, plus similarly NF intersection B would be what, NF intersection will be NF plus NB minus NF union B. So fever or breathing problem or both, 340. Yeah, similarly you have NB intersection C would be what, 220 cough, 220 breathing minus cough or breathing both, 350. Yeah, so here you get 350. Yeah, minus 2 times 30. Yeah, so this is about the number of favorable outcomes, so to speak. So this curly bracketed thing, this whole thing turns out to be 180. So this 900 minus 180 is what? 720. So what about the probability? Probability would be number of favorable outcomes, which is 720, divided by total number of outcomes, which is 900. Essentially it becomes what? 8 by 10, so to speak. Yeah, so 0.8. So the answer is 0.8. Thanks for listening.